Came to make a name. Got your star and leave it on that pavement. Came to entertain. But what I didn't know is that a stage would be my gauge. Cause when you only see your beauty in the applause, you can't love yourself on this.
I am going to be showing you what the apartment looks like. So let's come right in. Okay? Ooh. I'm trying to act surprised. Ooh, so beautiful. Okay, welcome to my Lekki apartment tour. Okay, so I'm going to begin off by showing you what this sitting room looks like. So we have this TV and we have all of these items that kind of spice up this apartment, which is really cute. There's a nice vibe. This is an Apple TV and this is a really cute. This is a camel, but don't. Okay, it's really cute. On this part, we have this frame right here, and it reads, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Really nice. This is my laptop. It doesn't come with a package. And my tripod. This is a hand sanitizer. I don't know, we're going to figure it out. And we have these items right here. So this is what the kitchen looks like. We have cabinets, and we're provided with spice cubes, salt, thyme, curry, soya spice. Let's see what we have. Yay! Great. What do we have in here? We have plates. And yeah. Okay, this is perfect. Do you know what those are called? One is a good idea. We have the sink, we have the washing machine, like that. This apartment is a full package apartment. What do you have? Okay. Just basic cleaning stuff. Let's see. Okay. These are for measurements. Good. I've disposed before cutlery. Empty. What do we have here for trash? And then we have the pot. That is pot right here. The pot. And most importantly, we have the cookware here. We also have a really nice refrigerator and stabilizer. These are the kitchen rules. That shall not weigh more than the refrigerator. Okay. There are two choices for dinner. Take it or leave it. That's right. Fridge pickers, wear big makers. Okay. Sit at the table and take a leave. First to complain is next to cook. Right? Help keep this kitchen clean. Eat out. If a messy kitchen is a happy kitchen, then this kitchen is delirious. Okay, let's see what we have here. Empty. I think we've had enough already. We also have a microwave right there. There's a blender. There's a water heater. Really nice, I must say. Really nice. Let's see what we have here. Okay. I'm not sure I'm interested in that. Okay. No. Nothing. Okay. Nothing. Nothing. Okay, and we have the seeds. We have basic stuff. Basic stuff. Okay. Yeah, so this is what it looks like. I think it's really cute. What I love most is this stuff. I don't know. Okay, this is a basket for. I think this is actually this as a decor piece where they put like fruits inside and this woven mats. Yeah, for pictures, right? I think I'm not using this for pictures. And the good thing about this is that we have an inverter, right? This is an inverter and there's no light, so I think we are running on an inverter. Yeah, this place leads somewhere else, I guess. Oh yeah, it leads to the bathroom. Now, let's move back to the sitting room. We also have this nice art space here. There's a couch, and there's this table lamp here. We have some games. There's games, there's first aid kit, there's a little table, and then we have a really nice forum. This is so cute. This is so cute. Yeah, there's also a table and a chair right there. Table and a chair. Now, have you guys have seen what it looks like?
So scared of falling down. I just won't climb in the first place. Hold my head under, let me drown.
They have this really nice woven mats and woven bag on the wall. I feel like if I'm going to the beach, I can actually take one of these with me. Sounds like a good idea. Okay, so this is the wall. We also have this woven. We have this plant in a woven basket. There's this frame right here. Okay, we have the window, the frame again. We have this really cute table. I have a thing for black, and this is so cute. The round table and then the chair. There's also a fan right here. We have an AC here. There's an AC as well. Wow, now let's move to the bed. This is what the bed looks like. Can you guys see? This is what the bed looks like. It's really cute. It has this Zanzibar kind of, I don't know, but I think it's most vlogs have saying about Zanzibar. Is this Zanzibar or Ghana? Yes, I think Zanzibar. This is like their aesthetics kind of, and it's really cute. And yeah, this is me, in my big shirts and my baggy jeans. Yeah, this is me. Yeah, we also have the wardrobe, which is quite big. It's really big, and I have some hangers. My socks are there already. I have some hangers. Yeah, so this is basically what the room looks like. It's really cute. We also have some box, some fruiting box. Let's see. Like, bro, this is very cute. It's really cute. Alright, lastly we have the bathroom. The bathroom is just basic anyway, but not so basic. The only thing that it doesn't have is like a bathtub. But it definitely has a shower. There's also hot water. There's a mirror, self-impulse, a group. Not saying we don't have a mirror actually. Yes, I can. This is where I do that. Or maybe I want to take a shit. I'll do that. Okay, so this is what you said. We also have like this basket here. This place is really cute. You see all these little touches that won't be okay. So look at what I just found. Okay. I feel like I might just go to the beach while I stay here. Alright, this is so cute. This is so cute. But everywhere is so hot. Damn. Let's turn on the fan so we can feel at home. Okay, this is working really nice. We can just bring it so that we turn the room a little bit. Everywhere is so hot. We also have like this laundry bag here, so I'm gonna put all my dirty items here and wash. Let's turn on the fan as well.